If you're encountering YouTube error 153, also known as a video player configuration error, don't worry, this tutorial will help you to resolve it. This error typically happens when YouTube has trouble loading the video player. To fix it, start by completely closing the YouTube app and reopening it to reload the video player settings. Next, check your internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection can cause error 153. Try toggling airplane mode on for 5 seconds and then turn it off, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If you are on a mobile device, go to your settings. Navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. Here you're gonna find all the apps, find YouTube and launch it. Click on Upload app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and then reinstall the app. This will clear the cache, likewise update the app. Next thing you wanna do is disable any extensions if you're on PC. Lastly, check the video quality setting if your internet is slow. Start the video, tap the gear icon, select quality and set it to data saver or auto for smoother playback. One of these solutions should resolve error 153 and get your video playing again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.